Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm just going to do a second video on this. This is a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is an EV model. So I wanted to say first, thanks to the consumer for coming in. They found us online, said, hey, we want to come in and get our unit set up for flat tow. So this is going to be towed behind a diesel pusher. And so we're actually going to be installing a Demco Air Force One. And then we've just pulled apart the whole front end, and I'll come and show you a quick close-up of all the brackets and stuff. We're doing a Roadmaster bracket kit for the front. We've already done all the Roadmaster wiring in the back for the lights and all underneath. And then the owner's going to be using a Roadmaster Nighthawk tow bar, as far as I remember right. So pretty much 90% of the equipment on here is all Roadmaster except for the braking system. And it's we've just found that braking system works the best for us. So there's two different versions that we use. Those are provided by Demco, who we purchase those from. And so check those out too. The whole coach itself, or the unit itself, there's a lot of stuff that comes off on these. And so what I want to talk again about is like all the clips and the pieces that snap undone that have to come off. When we put the brackets on, there's a lot of modifications that have to be done. So there's a lot of areas that get cut out. That's, per the install manual, in order to install these tow brackets. And so you can see this tow bracket comes clear across the front. And that's Gino in the background making noise. But you can see, like, here's one of the pieces of metal, or it's like an aluminum, that gets cut out. And it's pretty thin stuff, but it's still, these pieces get cut out of these areas. And then stuff has to get remounted. And I'll leave that one right there where it was at for Zach. And then there's a bunch of the other stuff that some pieces go back on, some don't. Like that piece right there doesn't go back on because that basically takes place of this tow bar area right here. And then to give you kind of like a rough example, here's Zach's workbench. So as you can see, all of this hardware, all of these clips, and then there's still bags of products that got to go, added on. But all of this all came off of that, and then some, because there's some sitting on his tool tray, there's some sitting on the back tray, there's some sitting around on the unit. So these are quite involved. So just because you think, oh, hey, book time says this or that, that's not always the case. So on our shop, we're not a piecework shop or a flat rate shop. Our guys are all straight time, they're all hourly. And so we don't rush this type of stuff. We quote you the install times that's recommended from like Roadmaster and different installers. And sometimes vehicles vary. Sometimes they'll take longer for certain reasons, or maybe something's misaligned, or something's stripped, or something's broken, or maybe it's been in a crash before and you don't know it because you maybe purchased as a second owner. So there's all kinds of stuff we run into that requires additional times. And sometimes just the paperwork and the manuals to install these are incorrect. And we'll even call up and say, hey, it says this, but there's no possible way. And so we'll go back and forth with them just to clarify. But anyways, if you need a tow package installed, give us a holler. It's California Every Specialist. Our telephone number is 209-263-7040. And we've been in business since 2003, same location. This is one of the two shops that we have. This is our car shop, lift shop. So this is where we do all our hitches, tow cars, anything, airbags, sumo springs, all that kind of fun stuff. We got 2 above ground lifts and 1 in-ground lift. And that's what this on. Earlier I had a video that we did where it was up in the air where Zach was lifting it as he was working on it to do the underneath wiring. But I just wanted to give you, a different view. It's almost the end of the day. Almost all the guys are gone except for me and Gino. And I just wanted to kind of give you a glimpse over, what all you have to pull off. And like I said, he's still got to get in here and do the braking system. But, there's a lot of stuff. And then same thing, here's the front of this car. And let's just take a look. And, oh yeah. So this vehicle's not that old, and you can see there's a lot of buildup and stuff that's been getting past it. So as you can see, there's all kinds of connections, wiring, all kinds of stuff that has to come off, all the different little holes for things, all the different little clips. And that's why there were so many pieces over there on that cart, and then pieces that come through the inside and whatnot. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your RV specialist. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.